fishing a local park lake, Emmarentia Dam. Yeah, haven't been on the bank for a while now. Just been busy with work. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot today, and then yeah, I'm gonna sit for the weekend. I'm gonna be fishing with Ben, the owner of DCN Baits. We're gonna do a bit of a social session, try and get some fish. Yeah, I arrived about 30 minutes ago. I'm just gonna try and put the rigs out just for a while till the evening, and then feed a spot, put the rigs out. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like the video, subscribe, do all of those things, and yeah, let's hope for a good session guys. Cheers. Hi guys, sorry if you do hear wind. Yeah, I'm going to, let me just put this thing in full. Okay, so I'm gonna be fishing two multi-combi rigs, one with a stack of fake maize, and I'm going to be fishing one multi-combi rig with a bottom bait crustacean, DCN Baits crustacean bottom bait with a zest pop-up, and then also I did some crustacean boilies, some maize, some crushed maize. I crushed it in a crusher, some buckwheat hemp, and then a little bit of the crustacean spot mix, and then I mixed that around, and yeah, that's what it looks like. So yeah, let's hope we can get something. But yeah, that's the rigs guys. Cheers. Hi guys, join me back at Emmarentia. Join me here with a very angry fish, which has landed this fish on a stack of fake maize on a multi-combi rig that I showed you guys earlier on. Yeah, fed with that mix as well. Get chopped. And yeah, just wait this fish, and it's a new feedback for me. So you're gonna be seeing me getting a bucket, and yeah, super happy with this fish. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the result. Two really nice fish. Yeah, both on the DCN Baits crustacean boilies. I got mine on a fake maize, and Ben got his on a krill pop-up. Also DCN Baits crustacean boilies fed on top of that as well.
Yes, on a stiff inch.
Yeah. That's the result. Cheers.
Where did put yours in my sleeve? Then we put yours.
Yeah.
Chop.
Yup. Yeah, see what the fish, man. Yo.
We can come back, but the time is gone. I'm running to escape from your love. Don't lie, 'cause I know your heart. Don't try looking for someone to forget, 'cause I gave you my whole life.
David said he also got another fish. Oh, there you go. Yay! I told you it's gonna pull away. I told you I got it. Right, to join us back at Emmarentia the next morning. And yeah, Ben got this fish. What did you use there?
Crustacean 20mm wafter. But for some reason this one was out for the entire night. Only picked up now. So yeah, it's worth the wait. Worth a while to keep your rods out.
Proper result, yeah.
And they say you gave me nothing.
Okay, so one of my friends, David, was fishing a few swims next to us. He phoned me to come do some photos and videos of two stunning fish that he caught. And yeah, get ready to see them.
We can come back.
Also taking pictures while I'm taking them. Yeah, man. Now, well done, David. Alright.
I know you're scared, you wanna hide away sometimes. I know you hurt from everyone telling you lies. So just lay down beside me, give me all your issues. I'll take them and I'll make them mine. Don't get caught up in your feelings, just feel them. It's okay if you wanna cry. I'll hold you forever, chase away all of your bad dreams.
Hi guys, join me back at Emmarentia. Managed to land this fish on a TP nut wafter. Put some TP nut boilies also on the spot. And yeah, a few hours and this thing went. And yeah, super happy with this result. Let's hope for more. Cheers.
I'll take 'em and I'll make 'em mine. Don't get caught up in your feelings, just feel 'em. It's okay if you wanna cry. I'll hold you forever, chase away all of your bad dreams. You got me, you always got me. Let it out, just feel it. Let it out, cry it all out to me. When you're down, when your heart stops beating, you got me, you always got me. Let it out, out. When you're down, when your heart stops beating, you got me, you always got me.
Quickly. Yeah, man. It's fish number 9, eh?
Yeah.
Fish number 9 on a crustacean wafter. And yeah, what a result.
Sharpies.
Why won't your heart stay in one place? Why won't your heart stay in one place?
Right, fish number 10. Yeah, on a crustacean wafter. 2 boilies on top. That did the trick. Yeah.
Why won't you? Why won't your heart stay in one place? Why won't your heart stay in one place? Why won't you?
Chop.
Right, fish number 11. Same thing, crustacean wafter. Few boilies on top. Yeah,
They ain't broke, don't change it.
yup. Yeah, fish number 12. Yeah, fish number 12. DCN baits, crustacean, wafter, few boilies on top, and yeah, we got this 10.6 kg carp. And yeah, proper result.
Lekker.
Lekker.
The scales would have been missing.
Oh, okay, I
It
see.
looked like a scar.
Okay. The more like the fish like Tony's.
Mm.
Like some of them you check things is missing. Check out like waddles off. All of them do that.
It's a fat stomach.
Alright. Fish
Carp
number. Fish number?
13, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, crustacean pop up
There you go.
on a inch. What a result. It's awesome looking mirror. Yeah, can you just hold it up fast there one more time quickly?
Soccer ball.
Awesome looking fish, yes. Well done, man.
Thank you.
Epic stuff.
Give me a minute tonight. I'm falling in it, and I won't admit it, but I need you by my side. You put your hands on my body. It's different, but it feels the same. We play the game like a hobby. Maybe I'm the one to blame. I'm getting deja vu when I look at you. I need somebody new, but I can walk away. Why want you to stay?
Number 14, crustacean, wafter, two boilies on top. Yeah, really kicking off. Cheers. Hi guys, yeah, you join me back at the end of the session. Just packed up campsite and then yeah, about to leave now. We ended the session with 14 fish. I got a new personal best, ghost carp at 8.8 kgs, and then a smaller common. And then yeah, basically played photographer after that for Ben, so he got quite a bit of fish. But yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, please like the video, subscribe, do all those nice things. And yeah guys, keep safe and stay tuned for bigger and better adventures. Cheers.
Why would you stay?